First of all, I'm Dr. Ifra. I'm a homeopathic physician. Professionally, I'm a doctor, and I take all the pride in telling this that I'm a mom of three. When I became a mother, first time, second time, third time, then I got to know about how strong I am. Yeah. So, my husband, I really want to take this moment to appreciate him.
Right.
We manage. I can't manage this all alone.
Yeah.
We manage everything together. It's simple. What you do, your kids follow that. It's
Right.
a very simple thing.
It's gonna come back to
Come
you.
back. Yes, yes. Till like 7, you have to love them like crazy. From 7 to 14, you have to discipline them like crazy.
Right.
And then from 17 to onwards, you have to be their friends.
Right.
This is my funda.
Right.
Best mom for your kids is a happy mom.
Dr. Ifra, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
How are you feeling today?
Good. Thank you.
Can you tell everybody who you are?
Of course. First of all, I'm Dr. Ifra. I'm a homeopathic physician. Professionally, I'm a doctor. Plus, also, I'm a social media influencer, particularly a mom influencer, a mom creator. And I take all the pride in telling this that I'm a mom of three and I'm trying to create a positive, positive thinking for all the mothers around the world, especially in India and our state.
Right. It's beautiful to see all your kids on social media. So, how much do you believe in Nazar?
See, Nazar is real,
Right.
but it's real if you believe it. If you don't believe it, so it's not that real.
Right.
But see, we don't put everything out there in social media. We are very, particular कि हमें कितना दिखाना है और किसको कितना दिखाना है. Of course, we have that in mind. But I generally don't believe, personally, I don't believe in Nazar and all. बट इसलिए आई ट्राई कि जितना भी मेरा रहता है all my projects which I'm working with my kids, of course I tell them, I make them understand, they know what I'm doing and what they are supposed to do.
Right.
So it's all very organized, very thoughtfully put up.
Right.
Being a doctor and then being a mother, it's very, very important for me what products I choose or what brands I'm collaborating with,
Right.
because it's a big responsibility for me. I can't just take anything which comes up to me. है ना? Because being a mother and being a doctor also, I have a few social responsibility as well.
Right.
So of course, I choose products and brands very thoughtfully, which
Okay.
is like really amazing, which I can apply on myself and which I can apply for my kids as well. So that's way I am spreading something good. I'm giving something good to the
Right.
society. I'm getting a good awareness.
Hmm.
So why not? If I can help others in this way, and my kids are also helping me in this, so
Right.
why not? Just to give a good awareness.
That way, people can also trust you.
Yes, yes, of course. And they'll also get to know a few things which, through me. So
Right.
why not?
Right. So is it difficult for you to explain your kids or prepare them?
Of course, it's difficult to be honest. It is difficult, but yeah, as they're growing, like my elder kid, now she understands what mama is doing. And of course, she knows, ki, yeah, wow, mama, this is a nice product. If I'm like promoting a pen,
Right.
which she can use in her school. So of course, she knows, ki, mama, yeah, this is nice. Of course, this will be very helpful for others to know.
Right.
So she understands this. For the younger ones, of course, it's very difficult. It's like a whole day. But I don't like push them to that limits. Of course, if मैं वो देखती हूँ, how's their mood, whether they are like willing to do it or not, a lot of things. But then, of course, I make them understand, and touch wood, they are very good bachas.
Can you talk a little bit about your kids? Tell us their age, what is their name?
I see my elder daughter, she's Amira, she's 8 years old.
Okay.
Then is Aiza, she's 4 years old. And then my youngest son, he's Aiden, he's 2.5. And the most naughty.
So I just wanted to ask, how supportive is everyone around you, especially your family and your friends?
Touch wood, I'm very lucky in that matter.
Right.
I've been I've got a very supportive family from my parental side, and from my in-laws side, my husband, my family. Everyone is supportive. I know it's looking very sugar coated, but this is the reality.
Right.
When I'm a doctor, as you
Right.
know, so when I was doing my throughout my degree, my job, everything, I have got the whole support which I could get. But then when I started social media, I was very curious. I don't know whether everyone will accept this or not, what people will say. Society ऐसी है कि people talk like this. Oh, you're a mother. Give time to your kids. Why you're doing all this? Or you're already a doctor. Why you need to do all this? But just because of the support of my family, my husband, my in-laws, I think I'm able to do this,
Right.
and with a lot of confidence. And I really don't care what others have to think. I come from a very positive mindset and a background.
Beautiful.
So I really don't care, and I really don't care about all the negativity around me. But touch wood, I don't have that negativity. So my from my family to my kids, my husband, my friends, especially, everybody is very supportive.
Amazing.
And touch wood, yeah, in that way, in that sense, I'm very blessed.
Um, Talking about your community, you're a Muslim. How has your community helped? Because I went through your profile, I saw the comments. They have been really supportive as far as I have observed. What do you have to say about it?
Yes, in my case, I'll say, and I'll want everyone to notice this. I've got a very beautiful followings, or a family, or a community, as you can say. Not only Muslims, from every religions. I have
Right.
my followers from every religion, not just from India, from abroad, from many countries as well. Especially, many Muslim countries also. I have got so many followers. And then I think, yes, of course, it feels like great.
Right.
It feels great that everyone is loving you. They are supporting you in the way you are. Maybe I give them that confidence
Right.
that you can work, you can look after your kids, you can do everything. A woman can do everything, whatever it's possible. So maybe I give that positive vibes to other,
Right.
and all the positive people, they came attracted towards me.
Right.
But touch wood, I have been blessed, and I've got a very beautiful and positive community as well. They have
Right.
always supported me in whatever way, in whatever I have done, anything. They have always been there for me, and they have loved me so much. And for that, I
That's so
really,
sweet.
really want to thank them. Sometimes I feel, what have I done? Why so much of love to me, to my kids also? So
Right.
thank you. Thank you to all those lovely people.
Oh, that's so sweet. We were talking about positivity.
Mm.
How much do you believe in positivity, manifestation? How do you think spirituality helps you as a person?
A lot. Believe me, a lot. I wanted to say this, like, I've always manifested something. It's something in my mind always.
Right.
Like, I want this, I want to do this, I want to do this brand collaboration, and you won't believe, all of my manifestations have come true.
Touch wood.
Yes. Maybe because I have a very positive mindset.
Right.
Your spirituality, your purity, all that matters.
Yeah.
What you give to the world comes back to
Back
you.
to you. Right.
So, in that sense, I've always been manifesting on something, and everything has happened to me. So, I totally believe in this thing.
Can you share some story that you manifested that you wanted to work with some particular brand?
Okay, on a lighter note,
Right.
when I had my third kid, and my partner and me, we were joking around. Oh my God, diapers pa kitna kharcha hota hai now, like third kid, and again that diaper cycle is going on. And just within few days, I got a mail from a very renowned brand, and from a diaper brand. And they wanted to collaborate with me. For for the whole 2 years, I don't have to buy any diaper. So like this only, whatever जो भी मैंने सोचा, मैंने बहुत शायद strongly सोचा, बहुत strong belief के साथ सोचा, and that happened. And that's crazy, no?
Amazing. And could you talk about all the brands you've worked and which one has been your favorite?
Oh, see, I can't pick that one.
I know it's
Yeah, because no, really, I have worked with really amazing and good brands. especially for the kids sides like
Right.
Dove, Cetaphil, Mother's Kirsch,
Amazing.
Colgate, First Cry,
Wow.
and so many Super Bottoms, and like many brands. And a classmate recently I'm doing,
Okay.
so all national and international brands. So
Right.
and I can say I'm one of those like mother creators in India now.
Right.
When brands look up for any mother creator or any parenting related collaboration, so maybe they think of me as well. So
Oh,
that's really a proud thing for me. I never thought I like makeup this way. So yeah, all these brand I'm working with, and I love all of them.
wow. So people have this mindset that, working from Jammu and getting such big brands is tough. What do you have to say to those people?
Yes, see, it's tough. It
Right.
is tough. It's not that because we are living in a small
Small
city,
city.
and bahar jo log rehte hain, of course, they have bigger opportunities.
Right.
I also feel this sometimes, like my fellow mom creators who are living in Bombay, they get some amazing
Oh, wow.
opportunities which we don't get.
Right.
But then again, I'll say it's just the hard work, the consistency. You have to keep working and giving your best shot. बिकॉज़ मैंने भी कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इतने बड़े-बड़े ब्रांड्स की नज़रों में आऊँगी एंड आई विल बी वर्किंग विद देम समडे ऑन माय टर्म्स.
Right.
That's the best part. Now I'm not just doing on their terms, I'm doing on my terms.
Right.
So I think it's just my hard work. I never thought what others are doing, kabhi bhi there was no jealous factor. There was nothing like that. I followed my niche.
Right.
Because I was a mother, as I said, I took pride in this.
Right.
So I thought, why to be distracted here and there?
Haan.
That was my plan. I wanted to be focused on just one platform and one niche, and that was motherhood. बिकॉज़ उससे मुझे मौका मिलता है अपने बच्चों के साथ और अच्छा क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करने का,
Right.
राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे अपने बच्चों से दूर रह के कुछ करना है।
Yeah.
आई एम विद देम, वी आर एन्जॉयिंग, हम मस्ती कर रहे हैं, हम शूट भी साथ में कर रहे हैं और वैसे तो हम हैं ही साथ में।
Right.
तो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा डेडिकेशन, बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क, कंसिस्टेंसी, एंड आई थिंक वो दिन आ जाता है जब फाइनली आप किसी एक की नज़र में आ जाते हो एंड यू
Right.
स्टार्ट गेटिंग दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। जस्ट बी ट्रू टू योर वर्क
Mhm.
एंड जस्ट फॉलो योरसेल्फ कि आपके लिए क्या बेटर है। जस्ट कीप फॉलोइंग दैट एंड जस्ट कीप डूइंग योर बेस्ट, एंड वन डे यू विल गेट ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट यू डिजर्व।
Right. We just spoke about jealousy. So, do you think your girl gang has supported you?
Of course, you won't believe, like, we are friends, me and my friend. Being in same profession, we try to boost up each other. If you're taking my name, I'll tell you to take her name as well.
Right.
It's like that. True friendships, true female friendships do exist, right? Of course, there are people who are jealous of you. They'll talk bad about you, and especially when you're living in a small town. तो जहाँ जितनी छोटी जगह उतनी बातें, उतने वो सब।
Right.
But still, to get your vibe, to find your vibe, that is the best thing.
Right.
And of course, my friends, Touchwood, have again been very supportive throughout my journey. We always boost each other up because we are mothers, we need that extra boost. So we are there for each other always.
Could you talk about work-life balance? Because you're a doctor, then you are a mother, and also you have social media to handle. How do you balance it?
Yeah, it's very difficult. It's not that easy. But I truly believe in this. Once I read it somewhere, ki best mom for your kids is a happy mom,
Right.
right? But I'll add to this: the best mom for your kids is a happy mom and a healthy mom,
Right.
राइट? बहुत से लोगों को एक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि बच्चे हो गए, लेट्स जस्ट फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग नाउ, नो ऑफिस, छुट्टी ले लो, काम नहीं करो, बस किड्स किड्स किड्स। इट्स ओके एट सम पॉइंट, I am in support to that also,
Sure.
but somehow you don't forget yourself, है ना? हमें अपने आप को नहीं भूलना है, what individual we are.
बिल्कुल।
हमारे पेरेंट्स ने भी तो हमें पढ़ा लिखा के इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया है ना,
Right.
तो हमें वो नहीं भूलना। और मुझे लगता है हम अपना जितना ध्यान रखेंगे, जितना हम अपना काम करेंगे, उससे हम जितना खुश रहेंगे ना, हमारे बच्चे वही परसीव करेंगे, वो वही देखेंगे। अपनी मम्मा को वो तभी खुश देखेंगे जब उनकी मम्मा खुश होगी एक्चुअल में, है ना? वो घर पे फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, उससे वो बच्चे खुश नहीं होंगे। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट बैलेंस, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट आई थिंक वुमेन हैव दिस natural superpower and themselves,
Right.
जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. जो when I became a mother, first time, second time, third time, then I got to know, God, how strong I am. Seriously, I didn't know this. To be very honest, when I delivered my first baby, I was like, oh my God, have I done it? ये मैंने किया है, ये मेरा बच्चा है. तो आपको पता चलता है what capabilities you have, आप क्या कुछ कर सकते हो. आपके बच्चे आपको बहुत strong बनाते हैं. That I believe at least.
Right.
तो अपने बच्चों के लिए you have to work, you have to be that active and happy. वो आप तभी कर सकते हो when you are genuinely mentally and physically happy. और जहाँ तक बैलेंस करने की बात है, आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट. ऑफ कोर्स, बीइंग अ वुमन, you can do it. You can do multitasking. You can do everything. But then also you need a lot of support from your family,
Right.
right? You
Agree.
can't do it all alone
Agree.
because of time change हो चुका है. अब I think all women they are working, right? वो पहला ज़माना था जब सिर्फ मेल्स काम करते थे और फीमेल्स घर पे बच्चे देखती थी. बट आई गेस नाउ एवरी वुमन इज वर्किंग,
Right.
सब काम कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक अब वो इक्वालिटी, प्रॉपर वर्क डिविजन, वो सब कुछ अब सोसाइटी में धीरे धीरे आ रहा है और बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है, विच आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. तो जितना एक लेडी को घर में सपोर्ट मिलेगा, अपने हस्बैंड से सपोर्ट मिलेगा, तो ऑफ कोर्स वो अपना बैलेंस, वर्क, होम सब बैलेंस कर सकती है.
Right.
विच आई डू ऑफ कोर्स. मेरे साथ बहुत से ऐसे और भी मदर्स हैं जो सब करती हैं. इट्स डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स, इट्स एग्जॉस्टिंग समटाइम्स. कभी कभी आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जाते हो, थक जाते हो, सब कुछ होता है, सब इमोशंस हैं, ऑल आर नेचुरल. जस्ट एक्सेप्ट दोज इमोशंस. मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ कि हाँ, अभी आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड नाउ, अभी आई एम टायर्ड नाउ, बस सिफ्रा, टेक अ ब्रेक,
Right.
जस्ट रेस्ट फॉर 1 hour. और मैं अपने हस्बैंड से कहती हूँ, प्लीज सब बच्चों को ले जाओ, एक रूम में बंद करो और मुझे अलग से रूम में रहने दो. ऑफ कोर्स वो टाइम भी आता है, बट देन दैट्स द बैलेंस. यू
Right.
हैव टू बैलेंस दैट लाइफ which you have chosen. And I do that, and I think every mother do that wonderfully.
What's your self-care routine? Because you're busy 9 to 5, and then you're juggling through social media. You're a doctor, so how do you
See, right now I've taken a facial, so that's why I've not put on any makeup.
Right.
So that's my skincare for you. Of course, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Again, skincare I relate with self-love,
Right.
right? If you love yourself, you love your skin,
Yeah.
right? And you'll work on it, of course. So I like thoroughly follow my AM, PM routine,
Right.
a healthy diet, a
Right.
lot of water, all that things I do. जो कि सब कहते हैं, how is it possible? You have 3 kids. How do you manage all this? Again, I say I can do everything. यार, just try. आप कर सकते हो if you really want to try.
Right.
So my skincare is also very like my doctor has given me everything and I follow that religiously. And of course, a
Amazing.
healthy diet and matters a lot, a lot.
Do you believe in me time?
Yes, of course. जो कि मुझे बहुत कम मिलता है. But still, I believe in me time and I do take that me time. वो me time कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Maybe just sitting with your mother or sitting with your best friend or just sitting alone. Whatever, जिसमें भी आपको खुशी मिलती है, just do that. Just taking a facial is also a me time from
Right.
others.
That is.
So of course, I believe in it.
So can you tell how your usual day is?
Yes, this is a question जो सब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं. How you manage your day?
Right.
So it's the key is that you have to wake up early in the morning.
Okay.
I like wake up at 6 a.m. That's my routine.
Okay.
By 6:30, I got my daughter ready for the school and everything.
Yeah.
And then I leave for gym.
Okay.
Okay. Then for 1.5 hours, I'm in the gym. Then I come back. Then I get my second daughter ready.
Okay.
Okay. Then wo school gayi. After that, I get ready myself and I head to my office, my hospital, as I'm working as a medical officer. Or after my office, 4:30, मैं वापस आती हूँ. Then all the time with my kids and for my shoots as well.
Right.
That depends. Kisi, some days you have shoot, some day you don't have. And then I'm home only for few hours if I'm going for any collaboration or any shoot or anything. But my husband, I really want to take this moment to appreciate him.
Right.
We manage. I can't manage this all alone.
Yeah.
We manage everything together. If he's home, I'm leaving.
Oh.
If I'm leaving, he'll come home. So in this way only we can manage and I'm able to do everything. I don't miss on any opportunity. I do everything possible. It's just because of him.
Right.
So yeah, that's my day.
Have you ever felt lonely or the mom guilt that I'm not able to spend time with my kids?
See, I really want to talk about this. बिकॉज सोसाइटी ने ना मॉम गिल्ट ये इतना ज़्यादा बोलते हैं ना सोसाइटी कि कुछ मदर्स जो नहीं भी फील कर रही होंगी ना मॉम गिल्ट वो भी करती है यार हमें भी मॉम गिल्ट होना चाहिए यार बच्चे को देख नहीं रहे है ये नेचुरली होता है सी मदरहुड एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जो नेचुरली आएगी व्हेन यू विल बी अ मॉम योर सेल्फ देन यू विल रियलाइज कि अभी सब ऐसे ही लगता है बट जब आप खुद माँ बनते हो ना तब आपको समझ में आता है व्हाट एक्चुअली मदरहुड इज नेचुरली मदर गिल्ट भी आता है ऑफ
Right.
कोर्स आता है बट यू नो जिसने ये मास्टर कर लिया ना कि मॉम गिल्ट नहीं लाना है इतना
Right.
वो बंदा सक्सेसफुल है अपनी लाइफ में जो विमेन्स ऐसे रह गई ना बस मॉम गिल्ट में दिल एंड अप इन डिप्रेशन और समथिंग लाइक
Right. Right.
सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपनी एक फीमेल कम्युनिटी हो आपके पास जिनसे आप ओपनली डिस्कस कर सके
Right.
लाइक आई हैव माई मॉम फ्रेंड्स हुम आई कैन डिस्कस एनी थिंग है ना तो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलता है आपको लगता है नहीं आप ही एक अकेले ऐसे नहीं कर रहे हो वो भी कर रही है वो भी कर रही है दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके
Right.
इस माध्यम से मैं ये सभी मदर्स को बोलना चाहूँगी कि अपने से प्यार करना या अपने लिए टाइम निकालना देयर इज़ नथिंग टू बी गिल्टी अबाउट
Right.
राइट आप जितना वही बात है जितना अपने से प्यार करोगे जितना आप खुश रहोगे उतने ही अल्टीमेटली आपके बच्चे खुश रहेंगे एंड दिस आई रियलाइज्ड प्रैक्टिकली
Right.
मैं पहले ये ऐसी सोच नहीं रखती थी इनिशियली बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि हाँ मतलब मॉम गिल्ट से क्या हो रहा है कुछ नहीं हो रहा है आई एम गेटिंग मोर डिप्रेस्ड एंड मोर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड
Right.
और जितना मैंने वो मॉम गिल्ट को छोड़ा और आई स्टार्टेड लाइक गोइंग आउट एंड डूइंग एवरीथिंग आई हैव रियलाइज्ड a drastic change in my life. Touchwood, my kids are really happy. They see a happy mom going out and coming in. When you'll meet my kids, you'll see they are very happy and confident about this thing. So I think mom guilt is okay, but to a limit. Don't
Right.
extend that guilt to some next level.
So, what keeps you motivated?
I don't know, maybe myself. I'm always motivated, yeah. I don't know why is this.
No, I see a lot of positive energy, and you're smiling ever since you started this conversation.
Yes. I don't know, but now I can say, of course, my kids they keep me motivated. Like every second of my life is dedicated to them, and whatever I want to do, I just want to do for them. Okay, that's making me emotional. But yeah, they are my motivation, of course. And
Right.
my father, he was my role model, my motivation, my everything. Whatever I am today, it's totally, it's because of him.
Right.
So yeah, they are my motivations.
How did you start social media? What made you think that you should be a mom influencer?
Okay. So how I started was like Zabardasti Dhakke se. One of my cousin, he was like, "Oh my God, you're not on Instagram." And what is that? उससे डाउनलोड करके like then I started just normally and when I got married and you won't believe I was not an influencer like before marriage nothing
Okay.
like that
Okay.
yes when I got married I had kids after Amira and one day I got a message from a brand I still remember it's Be Safe a toilet seat sanitizer it's a
Right.
good brand
Right.
and they approached me and they wanted me and my daughter to do some brand, some collaboration with them. And I was like, okay, what is this? That time I didn't know. Jammu mein that time ऐसा कुछ concept भी नहीं था.
Right.
Then few more brands started approaching me, the hair care, skin care. And तब तक मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रही थी कि what is all this?
Right.
No, तब उतना knowledge नहीं था इस social media life के बारे में.
This is which year?
I think it's 7 or 8 years back. Around,
Okay.
Yeah. Amira was just 1 year or not even 1 year. So at that time, I was like, okay, theek hai. I started doing some, just stories and posts, and I started. But then once one of my friend, she's not from Jammu, she's from Bhopal.
Okay.
She told me you have such good fan following, I mean followers, and you have such a good community, you have good followers. Why you don't take it seriously?
Right.
I was like, okay, is this a thing? I should do this. And seriously, she motivated me. Her name is Sadia. She motivated me and she said, you have to do this because I see my friends in Bhopal doing this and they are doing very good.
Right.
And I was like, okay, let's do it then. Then I started making videos with my kids as well, and then I choose a niche, like that
Right.
was motherhood.
Right.
As I told you, I
Yeah.
was not like diverted here and there. I thought I'm a mother, and let's be real to myself, and I'll be a mom creator only. And I started doing things, and then here I am with you, sitting with you.
Did you have a problem choosing the niche? Because, we are women, we like lifestyle, fashion. Did you want to do something else or?
No, no, no. I never want to do something else. I was very comfortable in this thing. You know, as I always say, you should do things which you are comfortable in.
Right.
You'll do it better, of course. किसी भी चीज़ में आप uncomfortable हो गए, you'll not be able to give your 100% to that thing. So I was very comfortable in this thing. And as I told, I wanted to spend time with my kids only. I wanted to this thing only. And see, of course, without help, it's not possible. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि I don't want to look like a superhuman here. Of course, I have helps with me in my house, and try to manage everything as possible. Like one night prior, I like manage everything for the next morning, and then I have helps there in the house who manage everything for me. And yes, I want to say something. I don't cook. I don't go into the kitchen because I have so many things to manage: my kids, my work, my social media. So मैंने अपने husband को बोल दिया, I am not going in the kitchen. This is my department. This is not my department.
Right.
Because ऐसा again then society लेडीज को एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में रखती है कि नहीं तो खाना बनाना ही बनाना है, खाना बनाना आना ही चाहिए. बट आई जस्ट वांट टू ब्रेक दैट स्टीरियोटाइप कि ज़रूरी नहीं है.
Right.
It's your wish. If you want to do certain things, you do. But if you are already busy and you are doing a lot of things, then it's not important now to go in the kitchen and cook also.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it.
Have you ever faced any backlash or any hate comment that has, made you upset?
टच वुड नॉट दैट, मतलब उतने ज़्यादा कभी मुझे हेट कमेंट्स और वैसा नहीं होता है. बट या आई रिमेंबर दिस वंस. आई मेरे बच्चों ने एक्सीडेंटली दे हैव लाइक्ड द वीडियो विच आई डिडंट नो, मुझे पता भी नहीं था. एंड इट वाज anti national some video
Okay.
like that, and I didn't even know. And I started getting comments ki see Pakistan chale jao, you're Muslim, this and this. And I was like, what is happening, क्या हो रहा है? और I think ये पहले की बात है, कुछ साल हो गए इस बात को. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि आई हैव डन समथिंग, क्योंकि लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लेके कि मैंने वो लाइक किया हुआ है, वो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मुझे भेजने लगे कि सी यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो, तुम ये हो, तुम वो हो, तुम टेररिस्ट हो. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या है, ये कब हुआ है? एंड देन वी अंडरस्टूड कि ऑफ कोर्स ये किसी बच्चे ने ही कर दिया था.
Right.
But yeah, that was the time, the only time I remember, which I can remember, I had those hate comments coming in. But yeah, after that, touch wood, it was nothing like that.
How did you deal with it?
You can see I'm a quite positive person.
Right.
Yeah, so I don't take it like that much. Of course, for that 1 hour, I was worried what is happening. Of course, I was worried. I was tensed. But then it was okay. I was like, I know I am true. मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. And of course, मुझे किसको बताना है? That third person, that faceless accounts, मुझे उनको and I never clarified,
Right.
मैंने कोई story put नहीं की. मैंने किसी को reply नहीं किया. Nothing. And yeah, one more point I want to like say. Like I'm having 3 kids, right?
Right.
So to be honest, one of my reel, it went viral.
Okay.
And in that reel also, I got some hate comments
Okay.
saying that you have 3 kids. Again, then community pe attack ho jata hai. You're a Muslim, so you don't look after the population and all that. So that was also a time. But believe me, I didn't reply to one single comment because मुझे सच में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. कुछ भी नहीं. I was like, मैं क्यों reply करूँ इनको?
Right.
मैं इनको क्यों एक्सप्लेन करूँ? माई पीपल हु आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी, जो मेरे सराउंडिंग में है, जो मुझे जानते हैं, जो मुझसे प्यार करते हैं, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता इस चीज़ से, और वो ऐसी घटिया, मतलब गलत बात, नेगेटिव बात कभी नहीं करेंगे.
Right.
तो उन लोगों को आपने क्यों क्लैरिफिकेशन देनी है जिनके साथ आपका कुछ यू
लेना
नो
नहीं है.
कनेक्शंस, कोई लेना देना नहीं है. एंड दे आर हेयर ऑन सोशल मीडिया जो सिर्फ हेट फैला रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं. बिकॉज देयर वाज अ सेट ऑफ पीपल जो कि बहुत प्यार दे रहे थे उसी
Right.
पीपल, बिकॉज इट वेंट वायरल ना. तो लाइक 60-70% वर शॉवरिंग लव.
Right.
Just those 20-30% they were like all the bad comments they were giving. तो my husband said कि इनको रिप्लाई करें कि एक्सक्यूज कर, नो, डोंट गिव देम दिस इम्पोर्टेंस, कोई जरूरत नहीं है इनको रिप्लाई करने की, दे विल गॉट टू नो. जब आप गलत हो ना तब आप आके बोलो, you'll say something, you'll explain yourself. But I was very chill, very relaxed, and I was like, okay यार ठीक है, रील वायरल हो गई है, it's okay.
Right. So, what advice would you give to similar people who are in this industry? How would you tell them to deal with such situations?
See, of course, it's then again depend on your individuality,
Right.
how you take things, how you want to react. But what I will suggest कि ज़रूरी नहीं है आपने हर किसी को रिप्लाई करना है या हर किसी को आपने अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करना है.
Right.
Not everyone needs your explanations,
Hmm.
right? आपको पता है you're doing good, you're great, good. Don't explain yourself to everyone out there.
Right.
कुछ लोग जो ये नेगेटिव कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं ना, वो उनकी सैडिस्टिक अप्रोच है. यू कैन से एनीथिंग, वो उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग है, वो उनका माइंडसेट है. दे आर नॉट हेल्दी, व्हाट आई फील.
Right.
तो आई डोंट वांट कि किसी की भी नेगेटिव एनर्जी मेरे पे आए. आई जस्ट कट देम ऑफ. तो
Right.
आई सजेस्ट कि हर किसी को, बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया कितना ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म है, कोई भी किसी को भी आके कुछ भी बोल सकता है. तो
Right.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग
Right.
mentally, right? Emotionally you have to be very strong. That's what I tell my kids also. मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो emotionally they should be very alert and very strong. Then don't take it on yourself, don't take it too deep,
Personal.
too personal. It's okay, just be with your friends, that just be with people who are good for you,
Right.
right? Don't waste your energy on all that negativity and hate comments. Just leave them, they will diminish.
Right.
वो हम मैनिफेस्टेशन की बात करते हैं ना कि आप
हम्म.
जितना पॉजिटिव सोचो, जितना पॉजिटिव करो, पॉजिटिव ही होगा. एट द एंड वो सब जो नेगेटिविटी है वो सब चली जाएगी.
Do you think influencer market is evolving in Jammu?
यस, यस, अ लॉट. आई थिंक जम्मू में तो बहुत बहुत ग्रो कर रही है. बिकॉज देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू लाइक 7-8 years बैक, तब कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था. स्पेशली कुछ होता भी था तो इट वाज जस्ट अ बार्टर थिंग.
Right.
But nowadays, if again you know your value,
Right.
that's the important thing. I think every influencer or social media creator, they should know their value,
Right.
right? जब एक भी अपनी वैल्यू कम कर देता है ना, तो all the community has to suffer,
Yeah.
right?
Agreed.
तो आप सब अगर एज अ कम्युनिटी साथ में मिलके चलोगे, अपनी वैल्यू पहले खुद करोगे, तो दुनिया भी करेगी, है ना? क्योंकि जम्मू में अब बहुत प्रोग्रेस हो रही है. जैसे जम्मू इज अ स्मॉल सिटी. आई लव जम्मू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू से दिस, आई लव जम्मू. तो अब हम इतना प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं. अब विद इन फ्यू इयर्स देयर इज अ बूम इन सोशल मीडिया एंड स्पेशली आई विल से आफ्टर कोविड.
Hmm.
कोविड में ऑल ओवर इंडिया में प्रोग्रेस हुई है,
Exactly.
राइट?
Right.
और उसी के चलते जम्मू में भी, जे में भी बहुत प्रोग्रेस हुई है. अगर आप हमारी बात करो, जब मैं वही बात कर रही हूँ, एक टाइम था जब बार्टर करते थे, और आज के टाइम पे वी कैन चार्ज एनीथिंग व्हाट वी वांट. इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज everything has progressed and we are working so hard.
Right.
So everyone has to understand, brands को भी समझना है, how how to work professionally,
Right.
how to be more professional, how to be more dedicated. और हम सब creators को भी समझना है, value करनी है. That's the message I want to give. Just value yourself, understand what you are giving. हाँ, अपना बेस्ट भी दो. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप उतना अच्छा डिलीवर भी नहीं कर रहे हो एंड यू आर डिमांडिंग मोर.
बिल्कुल.
आप उतना अपनी हिसाब से जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट, डिलीवर योर बेस्ट एंड देन एक्सेप्ट द बेस्ट.
Right.
या तो वी आर ग्रोइंग, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. बिकॉज अभी तो हमारा टाइम है अब स्मॉल सिटीज का, है ना? क्योंकि वहाँ तो ऑलरेडी काफी सैचुरेशन आ चुका है. गाँव पे, दिल्ली, इट्स ऑल सैचुरेटेड. बट वी हैव अ चांस टू प्रोग्रेस. वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग. एंड इफ वी कीप डूइंग लाइक दिस, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव लाइक लॉन्ग लॉन्ग वे टू गो.
Right. Can we talk about burnout? Because sometimes it's so exhausting and we want to give up. कि बहुत, जैसे हमने hate comments की बात की, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
अभी तक मतलब इतना वैसा सिचुएशन नहीं आया है. बिकॉज अगेन मैं वही बात करूँगी, फिर इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द हेल्प और द सपोर्ट आई एम गेटिंग from my family and my friends. Maybe it's because of that. But yeah, I do want to talk because there are women who are suffering from all this, right? जो
Right.
कि अकेले सब मैनेज करती हैं, और जो कुछ बाहर निकल के कुछ करना चाहती हैं बट नहीं कर पाती हैं. बिकॉज this is also a sad reality of our society. We can't just talk about all good things. There are people who are suffering this way. So of course burnout hota hai. I've seen many cases, many friends. Being a doctor, I see many patients as well. Women, like, they have terrible life. They are like dealing with a lot of things, which of course needs to be changed.
Right.
अभी बहुत बदलाव हो चुका है सोसाइटी में और बहुत होना अभी बाकी है ना? तो स्लोली एंड स्टडीली हम सबको समझना चाहिए कि अगर आप वुमेन को अब बाहर निकल के काम करने दे रहे हो तो उसको वो सपोर्ट भी देना है,
Right.
तभी वो कर पाएगी। अगर एक हस्बैंड बाहर जा रहा है ऑफिस और आके सिर्फ खाना खा रहा है, तो दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग ना। नाउ टाइम हैज चेंज्ड। अब हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों ऑफिस से आ रहे हैं,
Right.
राइट? तो आई थिंक दोनों को मिल के बनाना है।
Right.
If you don't have a cook, then get
Right.
up and make your food and then eat together.
Right.
तो जो भी करो एक इक्वालिटी से करो, मिलजुल के करो, सपोर्ट करो। women need a lot of support because we are doing a lot of things and we are progressing. We are still in that phase. We are progressing. So we need a lot of help and support, of course, to avoid that burnout and all.
Right. Have you ever heard from someone say, "How are your in-laws allowing this? How is your husband allowing this?"
Yes, of course. You won't believe. In fact, in my colleagues only.
Right.
Like, they were like, "Yaar, how do you do all this? My husband will never allow me." Or how your in-laws are taking all this. And I'm like, touch wood. That means I'm in a very space and a good space. When I see other people saying this, ki, how is this possible? How you are doing? That make me realize ki I am in a very good space. How
Right.
other people, I think, other girls, few of them maybe, they are not in a good space.
Right.
They are not in a mentally good space. They are getting tortured. Mental torture is
Right.
also a torture, right?
Right.
So in that way I feel blessed and I try to motivate them. Just, you know work on yourself.
Right.
Fight for yourself. Have that confidence. It's not कि आपको लड़ने को नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं.
Right.
You have to make other person understand
Understand.
कि I want to do this.
Right.
And you see this, how you can make them understand.
Stand up for
है ना?
yourself.
Just
Right.
stand up for yourself. जब तक आप खुद के लिए खड़े नहीं होगे तो आप दूसरे को क्या समझाओगे? कुछ तो बस लेडीज ऐसे ही बैठ जाती है ना, नहीं यार वो तो नहीं मानेंगे, हम तो ये नहीं कर सकते। क्यों नहीं? एंड आई सी women doubting themselves. I don't know why. No, हम ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, आप कर लेते हो, हम ये नहीं कर पाएंगे। जस्ट ट्राई, एटलीस्ट ट्राई कीजिए। आप सब कर सकते हैं। आजकल तो गांव की लेडीज वो तक मैं देखती हूँ बना रही हैं कुछ, हाथों में कढ़ाई और एनीथिंग और पेंटिंग और एनीथिंग। सब कुछ जो करना चाहता है ना एक्चुअली वो करता है। It's
That is
very
true.
simple. If you're strong and you really want to do something, you will do it. Otherwise, you will find excuses, है ना? तो हर चीज पॉसिबल है। It's just you have to stand up for yourself and you have to convince others. Yeah.
We just spoke about confidence. Where do you get all this confidence from, and how confident you are in front of the camera?
I am confident. I was one of those kids जिसको कॉलेज में कभी भी बोलते थे एंकरिंग करनी है, ओ शिट कौन करेगा? तो कम ऑन स्टेज, यू विल डू इट।
Right.
आई वाज मैं ऐसा ही बच्चा थी फ्रॉम लाइक स्कूल ऑल्सो। आई वाज वेरी क्रिएटिव। आई वाज इनटू लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, एवरीथिंग।
अच्छा.
Whatever was there, I was there. And I think ये बहुत कुछ आपकी शायद फैमिली से भी आता है, how your parents brought you up. Confidence, of course, I think
Right.
वहीं से आता है, आप स्टार्टर से
Exactly.
बनता है। School, colleges में, I was always a confident kid. But touch wood, then again, I am into family, into a position where I am able to maintain that thing. Yeah. So that was it.
What is the right way or ideal way to parent?
See, there is no ideal way to parent. It's simple. What you do, your kids follow that. It's a
Right.
very simple thing. No matter आप उनको कितना भी बोलते रहोगे ना, जो भी आप बोलोगे words, they don't get that. They don't understand that. It's your gestures, it's your routine, it's what you're doing whole day, what you're following. They'll follow that.
Right.
My elder daughter, she was a very shy kid
Okay.
initially. And I was like, okay, it's okay, let her be the way she wants to be. But when today, if I'll tell you, when जब वो मुझे देखती है doing all this thing and
She
speaking and
would.
doing, And I see a drastic change in herself. I have been told her this, but now I can see this. Ki she's far more confident. She's emotionally strong. She knows what she wants, how she wants. She knows exactly what she wants to do. And she's doing a lot of small things which make me surprised. Oh my God, she's my daughter.
Right.
So I'm not like bragging about it, but this is the reality.
Right.
इट्स सिंपल उसने मुझे देखा वो मुझे देखती है हाउ हर मदर इज गोइंग थ्रू द डे हाउ आई एम मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग उसने वही सब ऑब्जॉर्व किया तो पेरेंटिंग इन शॉर्ट यही जर्नी है आप जो अपने बच्चों को दिखाओगे वो वही सीखेंगे और वो वही बनेंगे आगे जाके
Right.
राइट तो इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग पेरेंटिंग इज़ नॉट ईजी लेट मी टेल यू इट्स नॉट ईजी अगर आपको ये लगता है कि बस बच्चा हो गया यूर अ पेरेंट एंड इट्स डन नो it's a lifelong job and it's a very difficult job. When you chose to be a parent now once, you are forever. There's no looking back then. What you say sometimes, like मैं अपने husband से बात करती हूँ कि हमारा एक एक word matters.
Right.
एक एक word. If I'm telling you, Amira, get aside. उस वो मैटर करता है मैं उसको
Right.
किस पिच में किस तरीके से बोल रही हूँ
Agreed.
because I see kids doing all that stuff which I don't like, which I don't want my kids to do.
Right.
तो everything matters, a single word also matters. तो आप सोचो कितना प्रेशर होता है एक पेरेंट के माइंड में
Right.
from getting up till you sleep.
Right.
You don't have to utter a wrong word
Right.
or but still you have to show them all emotions also.
Right.
It's a very complicated thing.
It said that by the age of 7, it's all that you're gonna show to your kid.
Yes.
It's gonna come back to
Come
you.
back. Yes. Till like 7, you have to love them like crazy. This is my funda.
Right.
Till 7, you have to love them like crazy. From 7 to 14, you have to discipline them like crazy.
Right.
And then from 17 to onwards, you have to be their friends.
Right.
Right?
That's
you follow
beautifully
this,
said.
like you are sorted. Matlab just love, discipline, and then
Like
be their
friends.
friends. This is the best thing. And parenting, again, it's very difficult, but it's beautiful. You have to manage everything. You have to be a good human yourself to make your kids a good human.
Right. Do you think your kids can come to you and tell everything about their day and how they feel?
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Like अभी तो जो बाकी छोटे हैं, of course they are not like that mature. But my elder one, she like tells me everything. सब कुछ जो भी दिन में हुआ, इनफैक्ट वट एवर शी फील्स, कभी कभी वो कोई छोटी सी बात पे भी मतलब मुझे लग रहा होता है मन में कि वाई शी सेइंग दिस बट आई लिसन आई
Right.
सेड ओके ठीक है बिकॉज मैं कभी नहीं चाहूंगी कि वो एक सेफ स्पेस ना फील करे मेरे साथ
Right.
आई वॉन्ट टू बी हर सेफ स्पेस वो
Right.
कुछ भी आके मुझे बोल सकती है कुछ भी शेयर कर सकती है उसको हेजिटेट करना नहीं है उसको झूठ नहीं बोलना है दैट्स वॉट आई वॉन्ट
Right.
Yeah, and I want to say this in my motherhood journey, my sister has been a very, very big support to me because as a mother, whatever I am, it's because of her. I want to give this credit to her because she has taught me a lot of things. Honestly, when you are a new mother, first time you don't know anything. Nothing. उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है क्या था कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है.
Right.
But it was my sister like she lives abroad and she used to read all that books on parenting and cesarean and breastfeeding and everything जो उसने पढ़ा उसने वो मुझे समझाया
Okay.
तो it was like okay shortcut था मुझे easily मिल गया but of course I got a lot of help from that और मैं बाकी सब mothers को भी ये कहना चाहूँगी कि do your research
Right.
खुद पढ़ो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं कहते हैं ना अब आप न्यू मदर हो अब बाहर मत जाओ अब ये मत खाओ अब ये मत करो आप साइंटिफिक लॉजिक्स ढूंढो
Right.
दिस इज माई पॉइंट आप साइंटिफिक लॉजिक ढूंढो हर चीज़ के पीछे आपको जो भी कुछ कह रहा है ना उसको क्वेश्चन करना सीखो वाई हाउ इससे क्या होता है और उसके बाद वो खुद पढ़ो
Right.
खुद पढ़ो यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग एंड you can live a happy life with your kids as well. Don't restrict yourself ki oh if I'm a mother now I can't do anything. You can do everything, just brush yourself, read, study और explore things. आपको पता चलेगा कि साइंस कहाँ पहुँच गई है and what all we can do.
As you just said, your sister helped you. Can you share some tips from what she had told you?
Yeah, see now it's been like 2-3 years. But yeah, of course, in every step. Like I would like to say, first thing, after delivery, postpartum depression is there.
Right.
Right? And it's there with everyone. सबको होता है, बट क्या आज से 5-6 साल पहले पता था इंडिया में या हमारे जम्मू में? नहीं बात करता
Right.
था ना कोई इस बारे में। हाँ, आज करते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स
Right.
करते हैं, बट उस टाइम पे नहीं करते थे। बट फॉरेन में सबको पता है, सबको पता है कि यह होता ही होता है। हाँ, किसी को कम होता है, किसी को ज़्यादा होता है, किसी को 50%, 20, 10% ऐसे होता है, बट सबको होता है।
Right.
तो जब आपको पहले से पता होता है ना, कोई होता है जिसने आपको बता दिया होता है, लाइक शी टोल्ड मी कि पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन होता है, यू विल फील लो, यू विल फील इरिटेटेड, यू विल फील जगलिंग अराउंड एवरीथिंग, एंड मे बी समटाइम यू विल फील लाइक क्राइंग और शाउटिंग और एवरीथिंग। तो मुझे ये सब पता था कि या दिस विल हैपन, ऐसा सब कुछ होगा। तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट ग्रेट हेल्प आई गेस। तो
Awareness.
यस, अवेयरनेस दिस इज कॉल्ड, एंड आई डेल्ट विद इट ब्यूटिफुली, क्योंकि मुझे वैसा कुछ फील ही नहीं हुआ। शी टुक मी आउट, हम बाहर भी जाते रहे, हम सब कुछ करते रहे, शी वॉज देयर टू हेल्प विद माई किड। हेल्प इज द वन थिंग आई टेल यू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यू शुड गेट हेल्प, यू शुड नॉट हेजिटेट फॉर दैट थिंग। आपको हेल्प लेनी ही लेनी है, टेक इट फ्रॉम योर मदर, मदर इन लॉ, मेड, anyone,
Anybody.
sister, friend, anyone you can rely on, but take that help.
Right.
ये मत सोचो आप अकेले सब कुछ कर लोगे, you can't do, you will end up frustrated and nothing else. So she helped me and she guided me in this thing in postpartum depression. And then breastfeeding again is a topic which is very difficult and we don't talk that often
Right.
because it's not easy. I believe अगर मुझसे पूछोगे what was the most difficult part in your motherhood journey, I'll say breastfeeding, because वो नहीं आती है भाई। How will you know कैसे कराना है, बच्चे ने कैसे लैच करना है, वो
Right.
नहीं समझ में आता। और कितनी सारी मदर एंड अप जस्ट लाइक छोड़ देती हैं, मतलब ब्रेस्ट फीड नहीं कराती हैं बिकॉज उनको नहीं कराना आता। हमारे यहाँ पे उतने अच्छे से सिखाया नहीं जाता है, शायद लैक्टेशन एक्सपर्ट्स नहीं हैं जो प्रॉपरली इस चीज़ को बताएं। बट देन अगेन माई सिस्टर, शी टोल्ड मी हाउ टू डू इट एंड इट वॉज वेरी इजी। मैं कई बार सोचती हूँ ना कि या माई जर्नी वॉज क्वाइट इजी only because I knew certain things which
Yeah.
other people don't know, and this was one of the main reason I chose to be a mom influencer, a mother creator, because मैंने ये देखा कि लोगों में बहुत कम अवेयरनेस है, स्पेशली जम्मू के लोगों में। they don't know which doctor to go, they don't know how to talk, they don't know what to do. Some are struggling with conceiving, some are struggling with motherhood or with their kids. But that made me realize, मैंने बहुत लोगों की, like I get a lot of DMs from mothers कि ये कैसे करना है, ये कैसे करना है, and I answer them all. I don't have a single DM left at the end of the day. मैं सबको आंसर करती हूँ because I know what it takes to be a mother and to do certain things. तो I make sure to answer them, सबको आंसर करूँ और सबको बताऊँ, कुछ छोटी सी हेल्प भी हो सके उस मैसेज से, तो आई नो वो कितनी हेल्पफुल होगी उनके
This
लिए।
is something that I'll appreciate about you because I have first-hand experience. Like it's nothing related to motherhood, but I had contacted you for my cafe 0 degrees in Gandhinagar, and you had immediately replied.
Yeah.
Whereas I had other people, I had to contact them. They would take ages, or somebody said, "Sorry, I can't," support, or even if it was a small thing
Yes.
like posting a story.
Yes.
So I appreciate that, and I
Thank
have
you.
the first-hand experience. I agree with you.
यस, ऑफ कोर्स। सी, ये भी एक पॉइंट है अभी लाइफ में, अभी जम्मू में ही, अभी आप कुछ छोटे बच्चे, आई से ऑन एज ना हो ना, छोटे एज में छोटे हो या कुछ भी है, वो अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी बहुत कुछ समझने लग जाते हैं, क्या पता नहीं क्या बन गए हैं वो लाइफ में।
Right.
बट जो एक्चुअल में कुछ होता है ना,
हाँ जी,
वो वैसा नहीं होता है।
बिल्कुल।
वो लोग बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ होते हैं।
राइट।
मैं तो ऐसा भी करती थी कि जस्ट टू हेल्प अदर्स, ठीक है, आई पुट अ स्टोरी, नो इशू, कोई बात नहीं, एक स्टोरी डालने से कुछ नहीं होगा। मे बी आई एम एट अ पोजीशन वेयर आई कैन पुट, आई कैन बी ऑफ सम हेल्प टू देम, तो व्हाई नॉट।
राइट।
एंड आई डोंट हैव दैट ईगो और दैट कि अब मैं बात नहीं करूंगी। मैंने बहुत जगह ऐसे देखा है, आई हैव बीन टू इवेंट्स वेयर पीपल डोंट एक्नॉलेज यू, बट आई एक्नॉलेज यू। मैं
Right.
चाहूंगी, आई विल से हेलो, हाय,
Yeah.
हाउ आर यू, इफ आई हैव नोन यू,
Yeah.
if we have met before. So I think that is something which I am.
I
I'm
agree
this,
that.
yeah.
Yeah. I love that about you, and I agree with the- Yeah. Nowadays, I see that a lot of people, especially small babies, kids, they cannot eat without watching the screen. What is your take on it, and how do you protect your kids?
Yes, see, again then being a influencer, मेरे को ऐसे बहुत से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि यू बीइंग अ इन्फ्लुएंसर, आपके बच्चे तो बहुत फ़ोन देखते होंगे या वैसा होता होगा, बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता। इट्स अगेन देन डिपेंड ऑन योर पेरेंटिंग, हाउ यू आर पेरेंटिंग योर
Right.
किड्स। इफ आई एम ऑन सोशल मीडिया और you see my kids on social media, that doesn't mean they are on their phones all the time. No, You will be surprised to know that my kids like don't watch phone at all.
Oh,
At
wow.
all, I mean. I see my friends and family around जहाँ पे बच्चे फ़ोन देख रहे हैं. But no, we don't allow that. And then it depends on your style of parenting. How you are dealing with your kids. आप कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो अपने बच्चों को, उनका टाइम कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो, उनका स्कूल, स्टडीज़, उनके ईटिंग हैबिट्स और सब कुछ. आई डोंट वांट टू जज दोज़ मदर्स जो कि अगर फ़ोन दे भी रही हैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए. नो, आई नो हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट इज़. मेरे को पता है बीइंग अ मदर ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है एंड आई एम टोटली इन लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोज़ मदर्स कि कई बार बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. आप अकेले हो, आपके घर पे कोई नहीं है, उस टाइम आप फ़ोन दे रहे हो. But again, then it's all management.
Right.
How you manage, how much screen time you are allowing to your kids.
Right.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपने बच्चे को फ़ोन दे दिया एंड यू आर रोमिंग अराउंड एंड यू आर समवेयर और 1-2 घंटे आपको पता ही नहीं है कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है
Right.
ना? जो एक मदर, एक हाउसवाइफ है, उसके घर में ऐसा हो सकता है कि बच्चा फ़ोन ही देख रहा है.
Right.
और एक जो वर्किंग मदर है, हो सकता है उसका बच्चा फ़ोन बिल्कुल भी नहीं
बिल्कुल नहीं
देख रहा
देख रहा
है
है.
ना?
Right.
तो नेवर जज एनीवन. किसी भी को भी ऐसे जज नहीं करो कि कैसे हो रहा है. इट कैन बी बोथ वेज़. बट अगेन फिर वही बात आ जाती है कि आप कैसे उस चीज़ को मैनेज कर रहे हो, आप अपने बच्चों को कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो, आप उनकी पेरेंटिंग कैसे कर रहे हो, आप उनको कितना अलाउ कर रहे हो. इन माई केस फ़ोन तो इज़ स्ट्रिक्टली नॉट अलाउड. आप टीवी फिर देख लोगे फॉर हाफ एन आवर और मे बी 1 आवर और मे बी एट अ स्ट्रेच 2 आवर्स ऑल्सो देयर आर डेज.
Right.
But I will not suggest phone because phone में you don't know what they're watching, what they're scrolling. At least on TV आपने ये वीडियो लगाया है और वो यही देखने वाले हैं इस
Exactly.
आधे घंटे के लिए. तो you have to manage. You have to take stand, things on your hand and you have to be strict on this part. आप अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से बच्चे को नहीं टैकल कर सकते हो. आपको
Right.
बच्चे के हिसाब से अपने आप को टैकल करना है. That's the key. Which you should understand. All parents should understand.
Right. So there's this influencer called Flying Beast, and he puts out major part of his life along with his family life. So what do you have to say about it, and how do you manage your family life, and where does the privacy come with your social life?
See, I am someone ki I know where to stop, right? Ki I know where to stop or my privacy is completely maintained. Though I'll put 10 stories on my Insta for a day, but जो चीज़ मुझे नहीं दिखानी है वो मुझे नहीं दिखानी है. जो नहीं बतानी है वो नहीं बतानी है. तो I think one knows कि आपको कहाँ पे रुकना है.
Right.
But talking about him, I think he has a YouTube channel, right? He's
Right.
into vlogging.
Right.
या तो maybe उनके हिसाब से ही इज़ डूइंग वेरी गुड आई थिंक.
Yeah.
राइट. तो उनका वो चल पड़ा है वो सिस्टम. इट्स दैट वे ओनली. Maybe he involves his kids and everything. He's known for that thing.
Right.
Maybe it's suiting him or his lifestyle. That's good for him. But if you'll ask me, I can't do that thing. In fact, that's the thing. I'm not into vlogging and all and
Right.
long videos because I can't do that. I can't put my kids, that out and everything and every moment. I can't do that personally. That's why I chose to stick on Instagram and do a 1-minute reel instead.
Like Kareena Kapoor's son Taimur, if in front of the media he misbehaves, it becomes a whole. It becomes a deal. So has that ever happened to you that your kids have gone out with you and they are in a social gathering, and if they have behaved in a certain manner and people have objected, how have you?
Yes, people judge you,
Right.
especially when you are at a position or you're at some level. People judge you that they see, okay, let's see how her kid will react or
Right.
her kid will, misbehave or not. Initially, I used to take that toll. Oh my God, what are they doing? वो कुछ गड़बड़ ना करें, misbehave ना करें. But believe me, when you age or when you are into motherhood, then you realize कि नहीं, इस चीज़ को अपने ऊपर हावी होने नहीं देना है.
Right.
It's okay. Every kid can misbehave at any time.
Right.
They can throw a tantrum anywhere
Right.
because they don't have any idea.
Right.
वो हमारी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती हैं जो हम शो करते हैं अपने बच्चे को रोक के कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं करो, वैसा नहीं करो और लोग क्या सोचेंगे. दैट इज़ आवर इनसिक्योरिटी नॉट
Right.
देयर्स. सो देन आई रियलाइज्ड और मैंने भी इस चीज़ को सीखा है
Right.
कि नो, इट्स टोटली फाइन. They are kids. Let them do what they want to do. Of course, you have to discipline them. Of course, you have to do everything. घर पे आके करो सब कुछ, but don't take a toll on yourself.
Right.
अपने ऊपर कोई टोल मत लो, क्योंकि किसी का भी बच्चा, they can act in a certain way.
Right.
So that's completely fine. A kid to be a kid is totally normal.
Right.
Yeah.
I love that you said that घर पे आके समझाओ. This is something that not many Indian parents follow. They'll start, scolding the kid then and there.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about
Yes,
that?
because वो उनको अपनी रेपुटेशन की टेंशन होती है कि वो
Right.
नो, बाकी ये सोसाइटी में मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचेंगे, मेरा बच्चा कैसे कर रहा है. बट जब आप ये समझ जाओगे ना कि वही कि किसी के कुछ भी सोचने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कुछ भी, वो आपका बच्चा है, आप पहले उसके बारे में सोचो कि वो ऐसा क्यों फील कर रहा है. माय फादर यूज्ड टू से कि यू हैव टू गेट डाउन टू द लेवल ऑफ अ किड टू
Right.
अंडरस्टैंड दैट किड. यू कांट बी अ मॉम एंड अंडरस्टैंड. आप उसके आई कांटेक्ट करके उसके हाथ पकड़ो और उसके लेवल पे आओ कि हाउ यू आर फीलिंग एंड हाउ यू वांट, यू व्हाट यू वांट. और फिर हाँ, यू कैन ऑलवेज मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड एट होम. हम दो बड़े भी अगर लड़ रहे होते हैं, जब दोनों लड़ रहे हैं, दोनों गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, क्या गुस्से गुस्से में वो चीज़ सॉर्ट आउट होती है?
बिल्कुल
नहीं होती है ना, वो वर्स्ट होती है.
Right.
और वही बात जब एक बंदा काम है, कूल है, कंपोज्ड है, आप तब जाके उसको वो बात समझाओगे, वो 100% वो बात बेटर समझेगा. तो सेम अप्लाई फॉर द किड्स एज वेल. जब वो ऑलरेडी एक इमोशनल टर्मोइल में है या उसमें टैंट्रम में है, उस टाइम उन पे अपने एफर्ट्स मत लगाओ.
Right. Right.
उनको घर पे लेके जब वो काम हो जाए, उसके बाद उनको समझाओ. दे विल फॉर श्योर अंडरस्टैंड बेटर.
Right. Thank you so much. It is lovely seeing you today and lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. I had a great time. Thank you so much for this.
Learned so much from you today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like,
Share
subscribe.
to Dopamine High.
Thank you.
You're welcome.